So we'll continue with exercise 7.4.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, 7.5 is optional, so do we have to do that?
नहीं, we will not do that. उसके नीचे लिखा है these exercises are not from examination point of view. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
तो उसमें से कुछ selected questions करने होते हैं, but यहाँ पे इस exercise में तो कोई ऐसा question नहीं है जो करने का है.
Okay,
It's
sir.
better we'll do questions from our assignment sheets which has questions on R.D. Sharma, from R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agrawal. Those are better questions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we'll practice those when we are revising. Okay? So right now we'll be switching to the next chapter and then we'll practice it later on.
So which chapter will we start after this?
Let's finish this and then we'll decide क्या करना है. ठीक है?
Okay.
Fourth वाला है So AB and CD are respectively the smallest and the longest side. Okay. So AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. So this is given. AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. So AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side of quadrilateral ABCD. Show that angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. So to prove angle A is greater than angle C, angle B is greater than angle D. Okay. So पहले आप क्या करो, इसको ज्वाइन कर लो. So एक construction करेंगे where we will join this AC. Okay. So you can write construction. Join. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए कर रहे हैं, एंगल ए ग्रेटर देन एंगल सी के लिए. अब यहाँ पे देखो, इसमें राइट और इसको भी ज्वाइन कर. Join BD and AC. Right. Now, in triangle ADC, this triangle, please everyone listen. In triangle ADC, we have DC is the longest side, so this angle will be the greatest angle. DC is greater than AD, so this angle DAC. So if I write it as angle X, so yeah, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 will be greater than angle 2, isn't it? So angle opposite to the longer side is greater. So longer side is DC. If I compare AD and DC, DC is greater than AD. So this angle opposite to DC, angle 1 is greater than angle 2. Similarly, in this triangle, if we consider in triangle ABC, let's say this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. We know that AB is the smallest side. So that means BC is greater than AB. So angle 3 will be greater than angle 4. Now 1 is greater than 2 and 3 is greater than 4. The sum of both means 1 plus 3 will be greater than 2 plus 4. So that means angle A will be greater than angle C. Let's write this and understand then. In triangle ADC, we have AC is greater than AD. This is given in the question. Sorry, AC क्या है? DC. DC is greater than AD, which is given in the question. So this implies angle 1 will be greater than angle 2. Angle opposite to longer side is larger. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the first equation. Now, in this triangle, in triangle ABC, we have DC is greater than AB. AB is the smallest side, so BC is greater than AB. This is again given. So BC अगर AB से बड़ा है, इसके opposite जो angle होगा, so angle 3 is greater than angle 4. Same reason, angle opposite to longer side is larger. This is your second equation. Now what you will do, you will add 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get angle 1 plus 3 is equal to angle 2 plus 4. 1 plus 3 is angle A is greater than angle C. So this is the first part which we have to prove. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how come angle 1 plus 3 is equal to angle 2 plus 4?
No, greater than, not equal to, greater. 1 is greater than 2 and 3 is greater than 4. So sum of these two is greater than sum of these two. Clear? लिख लिया ये पार्ट?
Yes, sir.
अब ये जो सेकंड पार्ट है B ग्रेटर देन D, उसके लिए ये एंगल को 7 कर लेंगे, ये एंगल 8 हो गया, सॉरी 5 6 7 8 करो, इसको 5, इसको 6, इसको 7 और इसको 8. ठीक है. Now, in triangle BCD, इस triangle में BCD, CD is greater than BC. This is given. Why? Because CD is the longest side. So angle 6 will be greater than angle 5. Okay. Same reason, angles opposite to longer side is longer. इसको ले लेते हैं थर्ड इक्वेशन. उसके बाद in triangle ABD, we have AD is greater than AB. AD is greater than AB. Again, because AB is the smallest side, this is given. Right. So this will give AD is greater than AB. That means angle 8 is greater than angle 7. This is fourth equation. So adding equation 3 and 4, we have angle 6 plus angle 8 is greater than angle 5 plus angle 7. 6 plus 8 angle B है. So this implies angle B is greater than angle D. ठीक है?
Written, sir.
Yes.
Written, sir.
Written, sir.
सभी ने लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मिटा दे पूरा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
दीवान लिख लिया? Fifth question is, so fourth question is an important question जो अभी हमने किया. Fifth वाला भी जो कर रहे हैं वो भी important है, मार्क कर लेना, एग्जाम में काम आएगा रिवीजन के समय. So in figure 7.51, what is given is PR is greater than PQ. Given PR is greater than PQ. ये दिया हुआ है. PS bisects angle QPR. So angle QPS is equal to angle RPS. Prove that angle PSR is greater than PSQ. To prove, angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. देखो. Now since PR is greater than PQ, since PR is greater than PQ, this is given. PR के opposite वाला जो angle होगा, ये angle is greater than angle Q is greater than angle R. Angle opposite to longer side is larger. ठीक है, एंगल Q is greater than R. तो Q अगर R से बड़ा है, Q के ऑपोजिट जो साइड है, Q मतलब ये साइड इससे बड़ा था तो Q R से बड़ा हो जाएगा. अब Q में आप ये दोनों तरफ क्या करो ना, आप ये वाला एंगल ऐड कर दो, ये भी x होगा, ये भी x होगा. So add both side this x. Adding angle x on both sides because it is a angle bisector. QPS और RPS बराबर है, तो adding angle x on both sides, we will get angle Q plus angle x is greater than angle R plus angle x. अब Q plus x ये दोनों एंगल मिला के क्या होता है, ये होता है ऑल्टर, ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी से Q plus angle x is equal to angle PSR. This is greater than R plus x is equal to angle PSQ. यही हमें प्रूफ करना था. Exterior angle property. क्लियर है बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
लिख लिया सभी ने?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.